everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 945 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this REALHER I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. So this is a product I got in my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. As always, I'll have my unboxing video of that linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet and you want to see all of the other products I got. I get a lot of products from the brand REALHER, which is fine by me because it is such a nice brand. They are all cruelty-free and paraben-free. And what I love most about them, which is what I discovered them for a few years ago, before I'd ever started getting Ipsy, I discovered this brand REALHER and I really liked them because they put positive affirmations on every product, hence the I Am Amazing. And so this retails for $16 and it sounds like a really nice black eyeliner because it's waterproof, smudge proof, and long wear. And it's pretty packaging. I love the rose gold on the box. Even the product has nice packaging. And you know what? Yes, it has a built-in sharpener. Even though it's a twist up eyeliner, it has the built-in sharpener at the bottom here if you want to make it more of a precise point. And I think that's really great design. So I'm gonna start out by just trying it out on my hand. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. I barely touched it to my hand and it glided right on, full pigment, dark black color. So this seems really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and try starting out applying this to my waterline on my lower lash line because I really want to see throughout this video if it actually sticks to the waterline because it's waterproof, long lasting. It says that it will stick to the waterline, but honestly I've never found an eyeliner that actually stays in my waterline. So let's see if this does it. It definitely sticks right away as I'm applying it to my waterline. I can get that full black color on the waterline. So that's pretty nice. I really like how that looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my upper lash line. Yeah, it's easy to get right along the lash lines and create a nice skinny line. Or of course you can make it thicker if you'd rather. I'm also gonna go ahead and tight line. I feel like this is the perfect pencil for tight lining. So I could see this being a great eyeliner to use before I apply false lashes to really hide the lash bands. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye as well. Do the waterline. I do have to go over it a bit. As you can see, I'm kind of coloring in the line, but still very quick and easy to apply. I also kind of want to go a little bit below the waterline, right along the lash line, to add a little bit of a smoked out effect to the lower lashes and the top lashes. I just feel like I have such good control when using this pencil along the top lashes. So much quicker and easier for me to line my upper lashes with a pencil rather than a liquid eyeliner. And you can't really tight line. I mean, I've never really heard of tight lining with a liquid eyeliner, so you'd have to use a pencil like this. Wow, so that was so fast, and the finished look is really nice. It's really enhancing to my eyes. It is so dark. Like, I'm very impressed by this dark black color, and I like the finish of it as well. It's a matte finish, so let's see if there's smudging. Yeah, no smudging whatsoever. So you know that your eyeliner is going to be looking like this all day long. Now I'm checking the waterline. It's still on the waterline, but it's coming off, kind of. I just feel like it's impossible for an eyeliner to actually stay on my waterline, but that's okay. I don't care too much to have eyeliner on my waterline. I like to do more of a smoked out eyeliner effect, but I was curious if this would last, and my consensus is that it still doesn't stick to my waterline, but that's okay. It serves all of the uses that I would want my black eyeliner for: top lash, lower lash line, tight lining. So I'm very impressed by this. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite use for black eyeliner. I have so many black eyeliner pencils, so I would love to hear what you like to use your black eyeliner pencils for. Do you do the lower lash line, the waterline? Do you tight line? Do you line the upper lashes? Can't really think of other uses, but maybe there are some, so let me know how you wear your black eyeliner pencils in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.